guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. Okay guys, so I just got off work and I got my single swag box in the mail. So I decided to, let's do an unboxing. So this is, what month is this? August. Time is going by fast, y'all. It's August 2019 single swag box, and I love these boxes even though it's geared towards single women. I'm a happily married woman, and I love the box because the theme is always centered around self-love, self-appreciation, self-care, things like that. So I really appreciate these boxes. And then I'm also going to share a wine of the week. Okay, so let's jump right into this box. Okay, and just like with most other subscriptions, you get a description card in the box, and it gives you not only the price but also a little background on the product that you get. And these boxes are themed every month, and this particular month's theme is loving yourself isn't selfish, is necessary. Relax, smile, and enjoy the month's special surprise just for you. So it's got a special surprise in here. Let's get started. Oh, and before we jump too much into the box, it's worth $201. The whole box retails for $201. So let's take a look and see. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this Spongelle sponge, and I actually love these. I think I forget, I don't know if I only get these in my single swag box, I'm not really sure, but I've had these a few times before and I absolutely love them. This one is in the scent lavender vanilla. I do only use it like on my legs and my arms because I have very sensitive skin, but I absolutely love it and I haven't had any issues. And this is in the scent lavender and vanilla, and I love lavender and vanilla. And this particular one is worth $20. It is vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made with love in the USA. So it is worth 20 bucks. The next thing in the box that I see are these mini cookie stashes. So these are cookie butter cookies. The original Belgium. Look, my daughter's running up the stairs. She hear cookie. So these were made in Belgium, and these cookies are worth $5. So these are worth $5, and it's just a so it says indulge in these award-winning cookies made in Belgium that are perfect combination of sweet, crunchy, and delicious. Sets includes cookie butter or choco chip flavor. Okay, so I ended up getting the butter cookies, which I love butter cookies, so I'm happy I got this one. The next thing that's in the box are these socks. Let's see. These are sweet feet 1 in a melon socks, and these are worth $18, and they have cute little watermelon design on them. I probably will take them to work or leave them in my car for just in case of emergency, you know what I mean. But anyways, these socks are worth $18 according to them. I don't know, there's one pair of socks. $18. Okay, so the next thing, oh, I got the chocolate chip ones too, so I'll probably let the kids share these, the chocolate chip cookies. So you get both, you get the chocolate chip cookies and you get the butter cookies. The next thing in the box is this. So let's open it up. What is this? Ooh, pretty. It looks like a necklace. Oh, and it comes with earrings. Okay, so let's see. This is the Monarch Bloom Shine Bright Necklace and Earring Set, and it's worth $84. It says shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like the diamond you are with this delicate, stylish, diamond-shaped necklace and earring set finished in 18 karat gold. This necklace measures 16 inches long with a 4-inch extender. So that's awesome. And again, this is retail price for $84. And this is what it looks like here. I might wear this one tomorrow. Oh, this is so pretty. Love it. I love when they put the jewelry in my box. I love it. Okay, let's see. The next thing in the box is this love handle. Get a handle on the device you love. So this is a phone grip, and it's yellow and black, no, gold and black. And this is, okay, so this is a special bonus item because it did say something about a bonus item, and it's worth $10. It says the love handle phone grip would adhere to any smartphone device using a strong but removable peel and stick adhesive and will leave no residue behind. Love handle features a slim profile, pocket-friendly design and enables users to comfortably hold their phone without dropping it. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. And, oh, there's 2 more things in the box. So the next thing in the box is this book right here. And this is worth $16. Is the #1 New York Times bestseller author. This pocket-sized inspirational book contains over 100 exercises, reflections, and cues to keep you fresh, grateful, mighty, and driven. That is awesome. And this is worth $16. And last but not least, in the box, I have this, the original Silicone Beauty Applicator by Makeup Drop. And this is worth $20. It says flawlessly apply all of your liquid, cream, skincare, and makeup products with this non-toxic, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free silicone beauty applicator designed for use on your face or body. Makeup Drop is a go-to applicator for many beauty experts and celebrities. And this is what it looks like. Okay, guys, so I am absolutely loving this month's box like I do every month. I love all of my items in here, especially the cookies and the necklace, and even the book. Once I get to read, I'm pretty sure I'll enjoy it too. So let's jump right on into the wine of the day or the week. Okay, guys. This is my wine of the week. This is the watermelon flavored sangria by, I'm not about to butcher this name, y'all. Can't pronounce anything. But it's by this brand right here, and it is off the chain. This is by far the best wine cooler that they have, or not wine cooler, wine that they have made, because this is far from a wine cooler, because the alcohol percentage on this bad boy is 13.9, so it is pretty strong wine. And it says made with concentrates of watermelon, tropical, and blueberry. I'm guessing tropical fruits, but it's really, really good. And I like to get like the 4-pack, and this is 375 milliliters. I'm trying to think. I want to say 2 of these make up a regular bottle. I'm not really sure. But anyways, this particular flavor right here, this watermelon, so good. It is so, so good. So that is my wine of the day or week. So hopefully you all really, really enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Not only do you subscribe, I want you to like and share with your family and friends. And to all my existing subscribers, I really, really appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.